Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you have managed server permission because you need it to add a bot. Once done, pick the exact server and role structure you want the raid helper to manage. This prevents permission chaos later. Next, make sure the bot's required intents are understood, presence, member, or message intents, so features work. Then, prepare to use the bot's official invite flow. You will select server, grant only necessary permissions, and proceed to the next configuration step. You now invite the bot by using its invite mechanism and selecting your server. Choose only the permissions it needs, because over-permissioning is risky. Once the bot is present, create a dedicated bot role and position it above roles it must manage. Then grant manage roles if it needs to assign raid roles. After that, enable /commands and set up the default channels. Make sure the bot has sent messages, embed links, and manage messages where it must operate. Finish by running the bot's initial setup commands or following its setup wizard. You will map roles, channels, and event templates. Once configured, test key commands in a test channel so you avoid disrupting members. If something goes wrong, check the role hierarchy first. Bot role must be above target roles, then verify required gateway intents and that the bot is online. If the bot still fails, restart or re-invite with corrected permissions. This usually resolves permission and visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.